PacketStream pays users for sharing unused internet bandwidth, routing small amounts of traffic through their connection in exchange for passive earnings that accumulate over time. By the end of this, you'll know how PacketStream actually works, what you're really agreeing to when you install it, and whether it's worth running in 2026 or something you should avoid completely. PacketStream is a bandwidth sharing app. Once installed, it uses your internet connection to help route traffic for companies that need residential IP access. In simple terms, your connection becomes part of a network that handles small data requests. You get paid based on how much bandwidth is shared through your device. After setup, the app runs in the background without requiring daily input. You don't complete tasks or surveys. You just stay connected to the internet, and the app does the rest automatically. That's why it's often compared to other passive earning tools in the same category. To get started, you create an account, install the desktop app, and log in. Once it's active, it begins sharing your unused bandwidth when your device is online. Some users try running it on multiple devices, but actual results depend heavily on demand in your region and how often traffic is routed through your connection. Earnings are not fixed. There is no guaranteed rate per hour or per day. Your income depends entirely on how much bandwidth gets used through your IP address. That means two users with identical setups can see very different results depending on location and network demand. One important point is that this is not a stable income tool. It is designed for passive background sharing, not predictable earnings. That makes it closer to a set it and forget it app rather than something you actively manage. Another thing to understand is the trade-off. While PacketStream is lightweight, you are still sharing your internet connection with external traffic. That's why some users prefer running it only on secondary devices or networks they don't rely on heavily. The simplest way to think about it is this. You are renting out unused internet bandwidth, and your earnings depend entirely on how much demand exists for it at any given time. To summarize, PacketStream is a legit bandwidth sharing platform. It runs passively in the background, and earnings vary based on network demand rather than user effort. If you try it, treat it as extra passive experimentation, not as a dependable income source. Like and subscribe for more honest breakdowns of passive income apps and what actually works in 2026.